how to use Etisalat smile points, how to use smile app. So hey everyone, come back to the channel. So let's just directly get on to the video. So first of all, you have to bill payments and recharges like smile points can be used to pay your Etisalat bill to bills or recharge your prepaid plan directly through the My Etisalat UAE app. And you have to redeem point for discounts on dining, entertainment, shopping, and more at participating partner outlets. The Smiles app offers a wide range of buy one get one free deals at restaurants and account discounts on cinema tickets, theme parks, and more. You can also find discounts on product at supermarkets and other retail outlets. And smile points can be converted to share points and used for purchases at various brands like Carrefour, Vox Cinemas, and others. And smile points can be used for travel related expenses including flights and hotel bookings. You can also redeem them from cash vouchers. And to redeem the smile download the Smiles UAE app, log into your account, and browse the and availability offers. And log into your account and browse the availability offers. Select the reward you want to follow the instructions to redeem it, which may involve copying a code or applying it on checkout. For bill payments and recharges, the option to use Smiles Point will be available within the relevant section of the My Etisalat app. So that's it for this video, guys. See you on the next one.